Consulted a lot of doctors, took a lot of medications, but after that I finally chose to go for my hair transplant in Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic by the recommendations in Google. By that only I came here, and that is the reason why I would like to share it with all my online viewers. And the doctors who gave the consultation, they made me very comfortable with the entire process. They told everything in detail. The last 1 year journey has been amazing. My hair has grown a lot, and that is the reason why it has boosted my confidence as well. Hello everyone, I am Sridip Samanta. I am a program manager at Amazon. I had been facing hair fall issues since the last 4 to 5 years. I consulted a lot of doctors, took a lot of medications, but after that I finally chose to go for my hair transplant in Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic, and I had my hair transplant surgery last September, that is September 2023. The last 1 year journey has been amazing. My hair has grown a lot, and that is the reason why it has boosted my confidence as well. Facing baldness issues since last 4 to 5 years. Previously it was not that much. I consulted a lot of doctors. Previously I was in Kolkata, then I was in Chennai. I moved to different cities and consulted multiple doctors. I was taking medications, but since last 2 to 3 years it had increased, and that actually impacted my confidence. Before going for the hair transplant surgery, I was working in Pune at that time, and I had consulted a lot of multiple, like at least 4 to 5 hair clinics I consulted. But in Hairfree Hairgrow, the pre-surgery consultations and the information that was provided to me, that was really helpful. And the doctors who gave the consultation, they made me very comfortable with the entire process. They told everything in detail, and I gained trust in Hairfree Hairgrow because of that. The clinic gives a lot of personal attention to the patients, and the doctors that were involved, including Kiran sir and the other doctors involved in the procedure, they treated me as someone personal. And right from the start, जो भी advice देना, consultation देना starting से, including all the information I was provided, and after that when the procedure started, उधर like right from the designing and the like how the pattern will look like after the procedure is done, उसके बाद क्या क्या implications हो सकता है, what is the pre and post care, surgery care I have to do, all those were very well briefed by the doctors. And coming to the clinic, I would want to say that it is very hygienic. जो surgery room में जहाँ पे procedure होता है, those are like absolutely like up to the mark in terms of standards, and the doctors doing the procedures are very well trained, and I never faced any kind of difficulty during or after the surgery in this clinic. I had implanted 4,000 grafts, and the technique used was FUE. I would like to start with the pre-surgery, the things I told about the consultation pre-surgery. So there is a lot of notions about side effects of hair transplant and all. So but because of the consultations I had with the doctors, those problems were solved. And after my surgery, the results that I have seen in the last 1 year, that actually boosted my confidence a lot. And when I go out in public, everyone praises about my look, and that actually is a lot to be happy about. Since the last 8 months, I am in Bangalore for my job. I have shifted to Bangalore, but I got a chance yesterday to come to Pune for some work, and straight away I came to visit Kiran sir and for the consultation. So it has been a very positive impact and a positive thing for me. In terms of pain, the whole procedure is done after the anesthesia. So during the anesthesia, there is a pricking pain that lasts for hardly 4 to 5 minutes. After that, we don't experience any kind of pain. I would also like to highlight that when I was looking for hair clinics, hair transplant clinics in Pune. Mostly I went by the recommendations in Google. By that only I came here, and that is the reason why I would like to share it with all my online viewers that Hairfree Hairgrow is a must visit, and if you are facing hair fall issues, you must definitely visit and get your consultation done. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow.